Hi guys, today's topic is what men need in order to commit to you. Alright guys, I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach. Today we're going to discuss a story of what men need in order to commit to you. And we're going to hop back, take a time machine into my 20s when I was absolutely terrible at picking women for myself and chose the wrong women constantly and consistently. But with some help with some friends, I finally got one right. So let's go into that. So in my 20s, I was playing co-ed soccer, and I made friends with this woman, and I never thought I should date her. I was just always friends with her. So I was friends with her for a number of months, and finally, one of my close friends who happened to be a psychologist and who I really trusted that she kind of knew women's psyche and knew what good partnership should look like. She also happened to be married to my friend. She goes, you would be really great with said woman soccer player that's on your team. And I go, are you sure? I've never even looked at her that way. She goes, you guys would be fantastic together. I said, okay. So I went on a number of dates with her. And I went on some dates, we got some momentum going, and we ended up being together for about 60, 90 days. And I hadn't committed to her. Maybe there was still a little uncertainty, I don't know, but I'm going to be honest. The relationship was going so freaking well, and everything was so in sync, and there was never any problems, and just pure happiness, to be honest. So at around, I'd say 60, 90 days, this woman goes to me and she goes, Mike, I know what I want. One day I want to get married. I want to have kids. And I'm going to be honest. Right now, I'd love to have commitment with you and I'd love to move forward with you. But if you're not interested in these things and feel the same way about me, that's perfectly fine. I'll go find another guy that wants all these things and feels that way about me. So I just wanted to let you know I feel great about you. I want these things. So take a week, and after the week's over, let me know if we're going to be committed and start moving, in the right direction. And I thought about it. And I thought about it for a week. And I was like, this girl's awesome. I really would like to give this a go. So what I did, I'm going to tell you this because I'm a dating coach, and I did this before as a dating coach, but this is just in my DNA, and I think you're going to enjoy this. She happened to live a block from me when I lived in Hoboken, and our buildings could actually see each other. So from my living room, I could see into her living room. She was about a block away. So it was far enough away where you couldn't fully see anything, but I had an idea. So what I did is I made a sign and then spotlighted it. I made a sign with glitter. Yeah, you didn't know a man could use glitter. I use glitter. I don't know. I don't think I could do it again, but I figured it out. I made a sign that said, will you be my girlfriend? And then lit it up. And then I took her on a date, took her to dinner. And then when we got back, I gave her binoculars. And then she could look into my window and she could see the sign. So she said yes. And I got a girlfriend and we were very happy. So what men need in order to commit, why I told you this story so that you could learn something, is what she did was she said she would be fine without me. Could move on. So it made it safe for me to say yes. It made it safe for me to say no. It made it safe for me. Then it made it free. It set me free to then make my decision. Because she was going to be fine either way. I wasn't letting her down. I was just being honest. So ultimately, what men need in order to commit is a woman that's got her act together and is going to be fine with you or fine without you. Like, she's got it. And then giving the freedom of choice. Allowing him to have time. And she made it free by saying, I'm good either way. Just let me know what you want to do. And so then once I thought about it, as a free man, I was like, you know what? I want to be with her. All right? So if you have any question about that, plop in there. And what do you need? I'm going to turn it around. What do you need to commit to a man? Because I'm always trying to learn about you beautiful women that are part of the community, because you guys are all very smart, very beautiful, very successful. And so I need to learn what you guys want for my own selfish reasons so I can learn, and the men that watch this channel as well can learn. So thank you for that. And I will put some more videos up there and there so you can keep watching. And until next time, love you guys. See you soon.